The Hafiz TV journey, celebrating 6 years of informing, educating, and inspiring community excellence. How does a vision turn into a brand that inspires and unites a community? Well, welcome to the story of Hafiz TV, Ghana's largest pro-Islamic Zongo online media outlet. Born from a vision to amplify the Ghana Muslim Zongo voice, Hafiz TV has evolved from humble beginnings to become Ghana's largest Islamic channel on YouTube. In 2018, the founder of Hafiz TV embarked on a bold journey, driven by a passion to fill the gap in Zongo and Islamic media. They started with repurposed content from other media outlets to mobile streaming, determined to create a platform that will reflect the true voice of the Ghana Muslim Zongo community. As Hafiz TV grew, so did its ambition, producing original content mainly in English and Hausa, ranging from Islamic teachings, news features, documentaries, entertainment segments, and capturing community events and stories that showcase Ghana's rich Muslim and Zongo culture. Today, Hafiz TV boasts an impressive 40,000 subscribers on YouTube, with over 3 million views and over 1 billion videos views across all platforms, over 2,000 stories told, over 1,000 video content produced, and countless lives impacted. Strategic partnership with over 200 organizations, including the Peace and Unity Convention in Ghana and Abuja, Nigeria, Leha Foundation, Breast Cancer Project, and Project Empowerment, Direct Aid Ghana, among many other things achieved by Hafiz TV, have all amplified the channel's reach and impact. Beyond the numbers is the individual stories that truly matter, stories of young entrepreneurs empowered by Hafiz TV's features, and communities unite through cultural events showcasing on the channel. Hafiz TV's impact transcends statistics. It's a beacon for Ghana's Muslim Zongo community, providing a platform for voices to be heard and stories told. As we celebrate 6 years of Hafiz TV, we look forward to building a state-of-the-art studio that will help us create even more impactful content. With your support, we can expand our reach, amplify more voices, and continue to shine a light on the stories that matters. Together, we are more than just a channel. We are a brand, a voice, and a community. Join Hafiz TV on this journey as we continue to inform, educate, and inspire community excellence. And let's keep telling our story louder and clearer than ever before.